Good evening. The Bureau of Internal Revenue today filed a 9 billion tax suit against cigarette maker Mighty Corporation. A lawyer for the company says they welcome the filing of the charges. Roderic Mendoza will tell us why.
Cigarette company Mighty Corporation is now being sued for tax evasion by the Bureau of Internal Revenue. Complaints for violation of Sections 263 and 265 of the Tax Code were filed today at the Department of Justice against the company and its responsible officers, including Alexander Wong Cho King, the Vice President for External Affairs. BIR alleges that the company did not pay the corresponding excise taxes on its cigarette products, which were seized in San Simon, Pampanga. Investigations revealed that the tax stamps on almost 90% of more than 33 million packs of Mighty cigarettes were fake. BIR claims Mighty Corporation has an estimated tax liability of 9.5 billion pesos. A lawyer for the company says they welcome the filing of the complaint as it gives them opportunity to clear their names and show that they did not violate any tax law. Wong Cho King has already met with Justice Secretary Vitaliano Aguirre and promised to settle the tax liability of his company. Mighty Corporation is also being investigated for alleged cigarette smuggling activities. Roderic Mendoza, UNTV News and Rescue, Manila.